Hello students, welcome to online classes of Swastik Education. Yes, in last class we had discussed about chemical reactions, how we can balance them, what are the information we are getting from an equation, what is an equation, these things we have discussed. Now we are moving ahead to the next section, that is types of chemical reaction. We are going to discuss in this topic, in this class, about the different types of reaction. So the very first type of reaction is combination reaction. Combination means क्या होता है? Combine करना. As the name suggests, combination means to combine. When it combines together, that is result. The reaction is said to be a combination reaction. Okay. So what is a combination reaction? When two or more substances, when two or more compounds or elements combine together to form a single compound, that is said to be a combination reaction. For example, here, when a substance A is combining with substance B, it gives us a single substance, single compound, that is AB. This is a type of combination reaction. So let's note it out. What is a combination reaction? Reaction in which two or more substances react to form a single compound. एक सिंगल कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए दो या उससे ज़्यादा सब्सटेंसेस जब रिएक्ट करते हैं, then it is called as a combination reaction. Reading, what is the combination reaction? A reaction in which two or more substances combine together to form a single compound, that is called as a combination reaction. That is, here we can see substance A is combining with substance B, it is giving us AB. This is a single compound. So this is an example of a combination reaction. Let's understand by some example. Let's take an example to understand this. We have hydrogen gas. I'll just give you completely. Hydrogen gas. This is combining with oxygen gas. When this hydrogen and oxygen, they combine together, they give us a new compound, that is water. Water. ये हमें मिलता है कैसे? तो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन होते हैं, they react together to form a new compound. That compound is water. So this is a type of a combination reaction. Here you can see substance A is combining with B to give the third a single compound, that is hydrogen is combining with oxygen gas to give water. So this is a example of a combination reaction. Okay, so this is a combination reaction. इसका बिल्कुल उल्टा हो जाता है decomposition. यानी कि before proceeding with decomposition, जब combination होगा तो कुछ चीजें होती हैं. कभी भी कोई चीजें आपस में combine होंगी तो दो चीजें होगी. पहले या तो हीट एब्जॉर्ब होगी और दूसरी हीट दी जाएगी. मतलब या तो हम लोग जब कंबाइन होगा, whenever the reaction is taking place, the new substance, the new compound formed will be either hot or it will be cold. If it is hot, that means heat is given out, and if it is cold, that means heat is absorbed. So on the basis of this, that giving out or taking enough heat, we have two type of reactions. They are exothermic and endothermic reactions. The very first one is exothermic reaction. Exo means what? This is composed of two words, exo and thermo. Exo means outside. Thermo means heat. That is, when heat is released in a chemical reaction. When heat is released, the reaction is said to be a exothermic reaction. जहाँ पे हीट रिलीज होती है, हीट बाहर आती है, यानी कि चीज़ें हमें गर्म दिखती लगती हैं, दैट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज अ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. द सेकेंड वन, B, second one, that is endothermic reaction. Now what is endothermic? Again, this is composed of two words, endo and thermo, that is inside heat. That is reaction when heat is absorbed. So these are the two conditions of combination reaction. First one, heat is given out. Second one, heat is taken. That is, either the heat is evolved from the reaction or heat is absorbed in the reaction during a combination reaction. जब भी दो चीजें combine होंगी तो ये दो चीजें होंगी. For example, we'll just take a look to an example. For example, when methane is reacting with oxygen, methane gas is reacting with oxygen, we will get carbon dioxide and water plus heat. Heat will be evolved. Clear? When methane gas reacts with oxygen, heat is given out, heat is evolved. So this is an example of what? This is an example of exothermic reaction. Okay. So this is an example of what? Exothermic reaction. On the other end, when barium hydroxide, BaOH twice, reacts with ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, NH4Cl. In this case, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH will be formed, and this will be an example of endothermic reaction, because in this case heat will be absorbed. Heat will be यहाँ पे given out होगा और यहाँ पे heat क्या हो जाएगा? Absorb हो जाएगा. Clear? So these are the two examples. What is this? Endothermic and exothermic. Endothermic, a reaction in which heat is absorbed, heat is taken in, that is called as endothermic reaction. A reaction in which heat is given out, that is example of a exothermic reaction. So these are the two types of reaction when combination reaction takes place. Now on the other hand, decomposition reaction. The next type is decomposition reaction. What is decomposition? जहाँ एक जगह हमने पढ़ा कम्बिनेशन यानी मिलना, डिकम्पोजिशन मतलब टूटना. मीन्स क्या हुआ? जब हम लोग एक सिंगल कंपाउंड को तोड़कर, जब एक सिंगल कंपाउंड टूटकर दो या उससे ज्यादा कंपाउंड बना देता है, देन इट इज सेड टू बी अ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. दैट इज, व्हाट इज अ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन? A reaction in which a single compound breaks to form two or more compounds. That type of reaction is called as a decomposition reaction. Let's take a look. This is a substance. This is a compound AB. This compound AB is decomposed to give us A and B, the two compounds. So such type of reaction in which a single compound is giving us two or more compounds, this is called as decomposition reaction. What is decomposition? When a single compound breaks to give two or more new compounds. एक सिंगल कंपाउंड से जब टूटकर दो या उससे ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स या कंपाउंड बन जाते हैं, then it is said to be a decomposition reaction. That is breaking. In short, we can say it is breaking of substances. Breaking down. That is breaking down. In combination, it was combining, and decomposition is breaking down. Means what? A single substance is broken down to form two or more new substances. Such type of reactions are called as decomposition reactions. Let us take an example. For example, calcium carbonate, when it is heated, when we heat calcium carbonate, we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. So here you can see, this is calcium carbonate is a single compound. This is solid basically. This is a single compound. When it is heated, on heating it gives us two compounds, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, एक सिंगल कंपाउंड हमारे प्रेजेंट था, दैट इज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. इट वाज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू टू डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स, दैट इज कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन इज डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. सो जब ये डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन होना है, जब ये डीकम्पोजिशन होगा तो दो से कुछ चीजें होती हैं, ये अपने आप से नहीं होगा. लाइक कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट बाय इटसेल्फ कांट चेंज इनटू टू डिफरेंट कंपाउंड्स, इट कांट ब्रोकन डाउन, it can't decompose. So it will be decomposed only in some certain conditions. There will be certain condition by which it will be decomposed. Let's discuss about those conditions, and on the basis of those conditions, this decomposition reaction is classified into different types. Okay, now we will discuss about those types. The very first one is thermal decomposition. The very first one is thermal decomposition. Again here the word is thermal. Here the word is thermal. What is thermal? This word thermal means heat. Means heat. जहाँ पे भी आपको ये वर्ड थर्मल मिल जाएगा, थर्मो, थर्मल, जितना भी मिल जाएगा, इसका मतलब एक ही होता है, दैट इज हीट. ओके, सो यहाँ से नेम से क्या समझ में आया? थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन यानी कि क्या? A reaction, a decomposition reaction which is taking place in the presence of heat, which is taking place by the help of heat, that is called as decomposition, thermal decomposition reaction. So reaction, or you can say decomposition react in the presence of or by heat, presence of heat, that is called as thermal decomposition reaction. एक एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने पहले ही डिस्कस किया, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को जब हीट किया हमने तो कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बना. इसी तरह से और बहुत सारी कंडीशंस होती हैं. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. अदर एग्जाम्पल for the same is FeSO4, iron sulfate. This is a solid. This is on heating. जब हम इसको हीट करेंगे, the symbol is for heat actually. Okay, the symbol is for heat. जब हम लोग आयरन सल्फेट को हीट करते हैं तो हमारे पास कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है आयरन ऑक्साइड, दैट इज फेरस ऑक्साइड Fe2O3, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3. So from single compound, that is iron sulfate, when it is heated it gives us iron oxide, it is Fe2O3, sodium sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide. So this is an example of what? Thermal decomposition. What is a thermal decomposition reaction? A reaction in which the decomposition is taking place in the presence of heat. On heating, when the decomposition is taking place, such type of decomposition reaction is called as thermal decomposition reaction. Next, photo decomposition reaction. Photo, the composition. Photo decomposition reaction. This word photo. Photo stands for what? Photo stands for light. Sunlight, light. Photo आता है हमारा light के लिए, जहाँ पे भी light से related होता है, that is photo. So what does it mean? The decomposition that is taking place in the presence of decomposition in light, by light, or you can say by sunlight, or you say sunlight. Decomposition जो light से होते हैं, sunlight से होते हैं, such type of decomposition reactions are called as photo decomposition reaction. For example, when silver chloride AgCl when this silver chloride is kept in sunlight, when kept in sunlight, it gives us silver and chlorine gas. It will give us silver and chlorine gas. So this is an example of photo decomposition reaction. What is a photo decomposition reaction? The reaction or a decomposition reaction which is taking place in the presence of sunlight, that is called as photo decomposition reaction. Next, the third type. Third condition rather I would say, that will be electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic, again the word electro means light. So electrolytic is decomposition, not light but electric current, sorry. Decomposition in the presence of, or we can say by electric current. यानी कि हम जब चीज़ों का इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करते हैं, यानी कि इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास ऑन करते हैं फ्रॉम अ कंपाउंड, तो हमें वहाँ पे डिकम्पोजिशन होती है. तो इस तरह की डिकम्पोजिशन वी कॉल इट एज अ इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक डिकम्पोजिशन. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक डिकम्पोजिशन? अ डिकम्पोजिशन which occurs, which takes place when electric current is passed through them, then we can say that it is a electrolytic decomposition reaction. Let's say when we are passing water, for example, when electric current is passed through water, when we are passing through water, electric current through water, we get what? We get hydrogen ion, hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So this is an example of electrolytic decomposition reaction. What is the electrolytic? The decomposition that is taking place in the presence of, by the help of electric current. When electric current is passed through them and decomposition takes place, such type of reaction is called as electrolytic decomposition reaction. Such as water is, when current is passed from water, we get hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So till now we had discussed about two type of reactions, that is combination and decomposition. They are vice versa to each other. That is combination, which things are combining together and compounds are combining to form together to form a single compound. Decomposition, when they are breaking down, when they are decomposing themselves to form from single to many, many to single, that is combination, single to many, that is decomposition. Let's take a look to some of the examples of this. Here you can see carbon plus oxygen gives us carbon dioxide. That is when we burn carbon, burn charcoal, coal. जब हम कोयला जलाते हैं, ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में we get carbon dioxide. Whenever we are burning any kind of fuel, we are getting carbon dioxide. So this is example of combination. What? Hydrogen plus oxygen, water, iron plus sulfur, iron sulfide, hydrogen plus chlorine, hydrochloric acid, magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide, sodium plus chlorine, sodium chloride. These are the examples of combination. Whereas if you can see in decomposition, Here you can say water gives what? Hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, water gives sodium chloride gives sodium and chlorine. Aluminum oxide, that is giving us aluminum and oxygen. Silver chloride giving us silver and chlorine. Silver bromide giving us silver and bromine. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? सिंगल से 2 बनाया, यहाँ पे 2 से 1. So in short, if you want to discuss, if you want to learn what is the difference, combination, many to one, decomposition, one to many. In short, if you want to learn, this is combination, many to one, decomposition, one to many. Now let's move on to our next type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. अगला टाइप हमारा क्या है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. डिस्प्लेसमेंट मतलब क्या? डिस्प्लेस मीन्स क्या करना? डिस्प्लेस यानी कि एक को दूसरे की जगह पे दे देना, उसको हटा के किसी और को वहां पे कर देना, दैट इज डिस्प्लेस. ओके, सो व्हाट इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन? So a reaction in which one substance takes the place of other, that is type of a displacement reaction. Let us say we are having A, B and compound C. Okay, we are having a compound A, B and compound C. Here it becomes CB and A is displaced. So हमने यहाँ क्या देखा? इस C ने इस A की जगह को ले लिया, A ने C को displace कर दिया, A की जगह C ने ले ली. So this type of reaction is called as displacement reaction. So let's discuss what is a displacement reaction. Reaction in which a highly reactive a highly reactive substance or element replaces or displaces a less reactive element. एक हाईली रिएक्टिव लेस रिएक्टिव को डिस्प्लेस कर देता है, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. व्हाट इज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन? विल जस्ट टेक एन लुक और टू द एग्जांपल, लाइक वी आर हैविंग कॉपर सल्फेट and we just put some iron fillings in it, we get iron sulfate and copper is formed. Okay, so iron sulfate and copper form होता है. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? इस कॉपर की प्लेस ले ली आयरन ने, कॉपर ने आयरन को डिस्प्लेस कर दिया. आयरन in spite of copper we are having iron in the product side, iron sulfate in spite of copper sulfate. So such kind of reactions are called as displacement reactions. Okay, so this is an example of displacement. अब मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा कि in which a highly reactive displaces a less reactive. So how will we know that which one is highly reactive and कौन सा कम reactive है, less reactive है, हमें कहाँ से पता चलेगा? So for this we are having a reactivity series for the metals. You have to learn those series. I'll just discuss with you. Here you can see we are having these metals in the decreasing order of their reactivity. This is the most reactive sub element or metal, that is potassium, and whereas gold is the least reactive. सबसे ज़्यादा अगर रिएक्टिव की बात की जाए तो पोटेशियम है, सबसे कम की बात की जाए तो गोल्ड है. You must have heard that potassium and sodium are kept in kerosene. Why is it so? Because they are highly reactive. If they are kept open, they will catch fire easily. Okay, so that's why they are kept in oxygen. So most reactive will be potassium, then sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, and so on. Like this we get the reactivity series. So it is to make it easy. बहुत difficult हो जाता है कभी कभार learn करना. So to make it easy to learn, we have this one. Please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, trying learning how copper saves gold. That is, P for potassium, S for sodium, calcium, M for magnesium, A aluminium, C carbon, Z zebra zinc, I iron, T tin, L lead, H hydrogen, copper, S for silver and gold. This is how we can learn. That is, please stop calling me a careless zebra. Instead, trying learning how copper saves gold. Okay, this is how you can easily learn this reactivity series. So to do the displacement reactions, you must be aware of this reactivity series. Unless you won't be able to do this. For example, I'll just give you some examples. We are having, अभी हमने बनाया एक, अभी जो हमने डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन किया था कॉपर सल्फेट और आयरन सल्फेट वाला, और हमने देखा था कि वी हैव सीन दैट copper has displaced iron had displaced copper and it was made iron sulfate in spite of copper sulfate. Now we are just reversing the reaction. We are just putting some copper inside the iron sulfate. What will happen? In this case, there will be no change. And how do we know there will be no change? By the help of this reactivity series. If you can see, iron is here and copper is here. So iron is more reactive than that copper. Copper is less reactive, so it won't be able to displace. It won't be displacing iron from the compound. Another example. I'll just take the same iron sulfate. When zinc fillings are poured in some iron sulfate solution, तब क्या होगा जब iron sulfate में हमने zinc डाला? In that case, what will happen? This zinc, being more reactive than iron, will displace this iron and will get zinc sulfate and understood? So this is a displacement reaction. अब क्या है, कभी कभार क्या होता है कि दोनों ही चीजें, हमारे पास दो पोजीशन है, दोनों ने एक की दूसरे की पोजीशन ले ली. ओके, that kind of reactions, that kind of displacement reactions are called as what? That is double displacement reactions. Okay, so we'll discuss about the double displacement reaction. What is it? That is, I'm having two compounds AB and CD. We are having two compounds AB and CD. In this case, we'll get a product as CB and AD. Here you can see the places are interchanged. The places are interchanged, and the such kind of reactions are called as double displacement reactions. So what is a double displacement reaction? Reaction in which ions are interchanged. Ions को की positions को interchange किया जाए. Ions की position को क्या किया है? Interchange किया जाए. Such kind of reactions are called as double displacement reaction. Let's take an example for the same. For example, when barium chloride is treated with copper sulfate, BaCl2 is treated with copper sulfate, CuSO4, we will get barium sulfate and copper chloride, CuCl2. So this is an example of double displacement. As you can see, just the positions have been interchanged. So this is an example of double displacement reaction. So we had discussed about the 4 types of reactions: combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement reactions. Double displacement where single substance changes their position, double displacement where the ions are getting interchanged, that is called as a double displacement reactions. Okay class, thank you very much. We'll continue tomorrow, the next class.